Dan Havens will now build with Legos.
And show you how I can run.
Okay. Show us. What are you going to show first? The running. Okay. Wow. Is anybody getting dizzy?
No. No. My eyes are.
Anybody getting tired?
No.
Wow. That was fast. Everybody clap.
I'm done with this.
Okay. Now show us the Legos. All right. What is that?
It's an iMini kit. Acid. My brother already knows about this. Dad, you don't know about belly. There's a lot of gold in here and 2 iMini kits.
Sit up. Let's watch. Remember what we do with our eyes? We watch, right?
There we go.
All right, you tell us when you're done, okay?
Okay.
We're just going to keep watching. Tell us what stuff is.
Lego guy. Trash can. iMini kit inside. Mini kit. Gold. Lego guy. Droid, Lego guy.
All right.
Lego guy. Droid, Lego guy. Done.
All right, let's everybody clap. Hooray, dear.